Hi guys, so today we're going to be making an origami snitch, just as you can see here. Okay, so we're going to be using a 20 by 20 piece of origami paper. You can use just normal paper at home, so long as you've got it in a square. And what you're going to do, if you've got origami paper, you start with the non-colour side up. My origami paper is just on both sides, so you want to start by taking this corner up to meet this corner in a diagonal fold. Okay, just unfold it again once you've done. And now you've done that, you're going to want to take this corner and meet this corner. So we're doing another diagonal fold. And just make sure that you make your creases nice and sharp, because it will make it easier when it comes to some of the folds later. So you'll notice you've got like a nice big X. Now what you want to do, you want to turn it over onto the other side. We're just going to fold the whole thing in half, so just this edge to this edge. Just unfold it again. Now that you've done that, we're just going to want to fold this edge up to this edge and just another half fold. Okay, so we should have something like this. Now what we want to do is just push in at the sides, like so. And it should just collapse itself into a nice triangle shape there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this loose corner edge here and we're going to fold it up to meet this one. So this edge here should meet the middle. Again, try and make your folds as sharp as possible. And now we're just going to do the exact same on the other side. So you should end up with a diamond-shaped sort of hat. Now we're just going to turn it over, and we're going to do the exact same thing, just this edge up to the corner. And just the same with that other side. Okay, so we should have like a nice sort of diamond going on. Now what you want to do is you want to turn it so the loose edges here are facing towards you. We're going to take this corner edge here and we're going to fold it to meet this middle line that you've created. We're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, just flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. It's very rinse and repeat. Okay, so you should have this sort of shape. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just unfold that fold you just made, and we're going to take this loose edge and unfold it even further. You'll notice that we've got two triangles in the folds. Now what you want to do is you want to just fold this back on itself like so. And then this loose edge that you've got here, you want to pull it towards you so that this flattens down, and then just really crease it down there. You'll notice that this loose edge, you just want to fold it back on itself, and that will form one of the snitch's wings. You want to do the same on the other side as well. So just open, open. Following this line, just fold it back in, pull it down towards you, and then fold it back on itself. So it should end up looking something like this. Now you want to do the same on the opposite edge as well. So just open, open, fold, pull, flatten, fold back on itself. And it doesn't matter whether it's perfect or not. You can see mine isn't. It'll still look just fine once you've blown it up. So fold, pull towards you. So now you'll have this. And if you turn it towards you, you'll notice there's a little hole just at the top there. What sometimes makes this easier is if you spread it apart just a little bit and pull the sides down so they're like, it looks like this. You can see the hole a bit better at the top. And now what we're going to do is we're going to blow into it. And it sometimes doesn't always blow up the first time. So don't be discouraged, just keep trying. See? And there you have it. That's the Origami Snitch for you. Done and done.